Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning physical therapy layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the physical therapy layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. As you can notice, there are high quality images included, which you are free to use without any restrictions on any kind of website that you're building. And you also have these nice anchor links over here, which you can link to a certain section, for instance, on your page, and just, get the best out of this layout pack and out of your website. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you will find all of the layout packs that are available, so you are free to combine different layouts from different layout packs, or you can scroll down until you come across the physical therapy layout pack. And once you find it, just click on it, and over here you will find all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo, and this will redirect you to a live website. And over here you can explore all of the different layouts and what they look like before actually having to install them on your own WordPress website. And say, for instance, you want to upload the landing page, you can simply go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, enable the Divi Builder, and this will redirect you to the visual builder right away. So over here you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple button over here. And over here you have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the physical therapy layout pack. And click on it, and over here you have all of the layouts again, so you can view the live demo again, or click on the green button which says use this layout for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for you to be able to get started with this layout. So of course you can change all of the written content that's included. But you can also make changes to the appearance of it all using Divi's built-in options and efficiency features as well. So for instance, if you want to change this color that's being used throughout the entire layout pack, you can simply do that by opening this row over here, going to the background settings, scrolling down, and over here you have the color, and right click and click on Find and Replace. And now you can replace it with any kind of color of your choice. So you're replacing this color within this page, and you're going to replace it with another color. So let's just pick another one. And then we're also going to tick off the box which says replace all found values within every option type not limited to column 1 background color. And this will make sure that all of the colors throughout the page change. Alright, so as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire page, and you can do that with basically any option you have within the Divi Builder. So go ahead and play around with this layout pack and create your own physical therapy website using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.